Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Following that, hit gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature and tap on one of your available devices that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!